like, we're actually going for a ride in this thing? I was like, heck yeah. Someone super special is here right now. Joey D is in the house.
Bro, quick check wraps.
All right, what's going on, guys? My name's Alex Whittick, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. To all the new subscribers, thank you for joining us. Guys, this is the end of the video, but it's the beginning of the video. I'm just talking because the days are all messed up for me. But my buddy Joey and I took Joey in the tilted TDI, and this is about to be his reaction to what it is, so I hope you guys enjoy.
Yes. Oh, represent America.
America.
Ooh, I've never been in this thing, ladies and gentlemen.
It's Joey's first time ever being in the Mark V Jetta TDI, camper mobile, whatever you want to categorize this thing as.
Oh, it's terrible.
This is rubbing, dude.
Oh.
I don't think Joey's ever been in a car that sounds like it's falling apart every 3 seconds.
This thing sounds like 10 times better than my old company's work truck, so.
If nobody knew, Joey and I worked together for like 8 months. And Joey and I both left that trap.
That crap show.
So Joey, what do you think about this thing the first 30 seconds?
Honestly, it's pretty cool. It's really funny. Like, I'm looking at this thing and I think I'm in a submarine because there's just like a stack coming out of the hood.
Wait until we go a little faster. You'll see your vision will be all blurred from the smoke and the heat.
What's up, Scott?
Yo, Scott.
Scott, shout out Scott.
Yeah, shout out Scott. We miss him.
Yeah. Woo!
Joey's first little pull, the clutch did not let go. Bonito.
Your grandmother's gravy.
Joey Manigotti in the house.
Yeah, it's me, Joey Manigotti.
Oh my
Joey
God.
Ravioli.
Joey, when are you gonna get a stance mobile?
Honestly, I'm thinking about slamming my 2010 F-150.
Could you imagine?
Slam it. I'm gonna slam it, camber it -21 all around, and I'm gonna have BBS wheels. That's what it is, right? BBS?
BBS's, baby.
Yeah, I used to have them on my dad's old Taurus.
Really? Oh,
yeah.
Guys, in the comments, tell Joey he's got to be a comedian. I have a lot of friends, and he's the funniest out of all of them, 100%.
Shout out Joey.
Shout out Joey.
Come on.
This thing's on me too much. It's got to be on Joey, the guy. Oh my God, this is great. I think that Joey needs a stance car, honestly.
I need something fun. Someone drop in the suggestions what I should eat.
Yeah, throw it down.
Throw it down. Come on, baby. What should I drive? What should I get? Should I get a little screw around car? You let me know.
Let them know in the comments, guys. Maybe a BMW E30, maybe an Evo 8, Evo 10, Volkswagen Jetta, a GTI.
How about a Monte Carlo 87 Monte Carlo SS?
That's Joey's style right there.
Damn!
The older stuff.
American muscle, baby.
Dude, that thing was sick. We just passed a Chevy that was like lowered.
Ooh.
Dude, I saw Abel today.
Where?
I saw him at the house.
Sean's?
Yeah.
No way, why'd you go there?
I was passing by making a vlog.
Yes.
Dude, we're doing 70 right now. We're cruising.
We're doing 70?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're doing 70. Taking to note that it feels like we're really going like 40 the way this thing is driving. It drives really smooth for a stance mobile. It's just like my truck going 70 feels like it's falling apart. And my truck's newer than this car and has like no work done. So shout out Whittick. Making the I don't even know, the good what do we
stance
have?
Mobile.
Good stance mobile, but also good steering, good driving, smooth driving, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Feeling the bubbles.
If anyone watches Trailer Park Boys, throw that down in the comments. Joey and I love Trailer Park Boys.
Ricky, Julian, and Bubbles. Come on, let's go, Smokes.
If anyone's related to them, let us know, because we want to get a vlog with Ricky, Bubbles, or
Ricky,
Julian.
Bubbles, Julian, maybe J-Rock.
We both have TikTok. Joey doesn't really create TikToks, but I mean, you guys might have seen mine. But recently I came upon Julian from Trailer Park Boys' personal TikTok, which is, may I say, absolutely beautiful. Quality content coming out of that man.
The tilted alien TDI, the Twiggy TDI.
It's great.
Listen to this. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. That is VW power.
VW power.
AKA, what is VW? German?
German, yeah.
German engineering.
Oh my God.
Oh. What? Did you see that shit?
Dude, I would have freaking totaled my car. Guys, we literally just had to go over the double yellow. There was piles of trash in the road. Like someone must have been transporting
clothes, trash.
Like what was going on there? It's almost like they took a flatbed and just threw 100 garbage bags on there and said, okay, let's just dump it as we're driving.
The body. yeah, just go ahead and just let the body as you're driving. Hannah. Dude, I love how you get so many looks from people.
Oh, dude, it's so sick.
Funny.
We're about to introduce Joey to the worst railroad track in the town in this thing.
Uh-oh. Oh! Oh, oh, oh!
You wouldn't want to daily something where you have to pucker up like that, buddy.
Holy God.
Yeah, that's
look at this guy's back.
Dude, that guy has a pretty nice house, though.
Dude, that house is huge. I've never noticed a house in my life. House
Really?
is massive.
Yeah, I see it once in a while, but like I live in this area, so it's a little bit different.
Yeah, true.
So Joey, tell me, what's your favorite type of cookie? Joey's not too into sweets, so he might say nothing.
Oh, me personally, what kind of cookie I'm into? Oh, jeez. All right, this is how it is. All right, chocolate chip cookies are cool and everything. Oatmeal raisin walnut cookies. Oatmeal raisin cookies. Best cookie out there. Oatmeal raisin is great. What is your favorite kind of cookie?
Yeah, throw that down in the comments.
Yeah, put that down too. Make a list. Oh yeah, this guy's like thumbs up. Hell yeah, brother.
What's your favorite type of food, Joey?
All right, here's how it is. My favorite kind of food is seafood. So, you best be knowing what the best kind of seafood is. Throw down in the comment section what kind of seafood you like. My favorite, personally, lobster. But
Lobster.
what I really like is sushi. Sometimes we go to this place in a town near us. When we go, we pay out. We each probably have like what? Maybe like 6 rolls? No.
6 rolls easy.
Easily 6 rolls.
Bunch of sushimi.
We probably each have around like 70 to 80 pieces each time we go. This thing's awesome.
Yeah, it's fun.
Dude, just the looks these people are giving you. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a good day for me today because in about 4 days, I'll have a banner arrive at my house that I ordered online. That's the size of my wall.
He's so excited.
I'm so excited. And you know who it is? Oliver Tree. Whoa.
Ooh.
Dude, it's literally the size of my wall. It's 80 by 68 inches. Dude, it's the biggest banner. Like,
It's literally gonna touch the door.
yeah, dude. It's gonna be like, I measured, it's like 7 inches from the door.
Jeez.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy.
That's fire.
It's gonna be crazy.
Does anyone else know who Oliver Tree is? Throw it down in the comments.
Yo, if you listen to Oliver Tree, follow my Instagram, @JoeyDePaul.
I'll throw it down so you guys will know it.
Oliver Tree we'll just talk Oliver Tree for hours. I mean, honestly, he's like on the up and coming. It's like to create each of his music videos is like probably like a $5 million video. I mean, they're like ridiculously expensive. But you know what? I've seen him twice in real life. I'll tell you one thing, he puts on a hell of a show. Applause to Oliver Tree.
I was supposed to go with Joey, but I bailed.
Oh yeah! We had a great time. We had this kid from work come with us anyways. This kid looked like the biggest frat boy ever. He still is. Shout out Zach if you're watching, bro.
Yeah, shout out Zach.
Yo, how's it going, Zach? We used to work with Zach back in the summer, and let me tell you one thing. This kid is a hard worker.
Jeez, I never heard you tell such a big lie in my entire life. No offense, Zach, but you...
Zach, you're pretty dang lazy, bro. I don't know of one person that the first day they showed up to work, they signed in for like 12 hours and they only worked like 8.
Terrible.
Sorry, Zach. You hate to hear it.
You hate to hear it.
Yeah, so basically, let me ask you, Alex, what's your favorite food?
Oh, dude, honestly, I wouldn't call it my favorite food, but like my go-to meal where I'm going out to eat, cheeseburger.
Ooh, bacon?
You know? Bacon cheeseburger, of course.
Ladies and gentlemen, listen to this story real quick. As we're talking about cheeseburgers. This diner near us, this local diner, I get something called the brunch burger. Oh my God.
Does it have a sunny side egg on it?
Does this Tin Man have a sheet metal? Does it have a sunny side up? Come on, it's got sunny side of egg, bacon, Havarti cheese, and avocado. Oh, avocado.
That sounds fire.
Avocado's fire. You know, they actually say it's not good to eat though that often.
Really?
Yeah, each avocado is 210 calories, and it's got like a bunch of fatty, like fats in it and stuff.
Yeah, but it's like trans fat, like, or it's not bad.
Yeah, but they say like it's like linked to like something with your kidneys if you eat like a lot of avocado.
Guys, look it up. Look it up.
Someone look it up and find it and answer the question in the comment section. You will get a follow back from both of us if you do. And you'll get my personal autograph.
Joey will autograph something for you, and at your expense, he will ship it back to you.
Ladies and gentlemen, this thing, the amount of work this kid does on it, this is the cleanest stance car I've ever seen in my life. I mean, look at this. Where did you get this from? Like the material?
Joanne's Fabric.
Dude, this lady is straight up staring. Oh my God, what is this?
She scoots.
It is awesome. There was this guy at this like light that like the whole time we were like making the turn and everything, the guy was just like looking at this car smiling. The joy that it brings to people.
Like going down the highway, like you'll create like rubbernecking. Like there's like nobody wants to pass you because everyone wants to get a video.
Really?
It's crazy, yeah.
Damn.
When I took my trip, isn't that crazy?
Yo, that was awesome. Dude, every single car we pass, you're like, what is going on?
What is that thing?
It's so funny. How far is the farthest you ever driven in this thing?
Taking a 500-mile trip in one weekend.
Oh, where to H2OI?
No, I didn't drive that there. To Waterfest.
Where was that?
Acco Raceway. It's like
Acura?
Acco. It's like an hour past Six Flags.
Oh, what, in New Jersey?
Yeah.
Oh, ATCO, that town?
Yeah, Atco. Oh, yeah, Atco, yeah.
Yeah. I think I know. They have like a UPS facility there. Every time I order something from Amazon, they always, shout out Amazon, they always hook it up.
We are in the farms, ladies and gentlemen.
That's awesome. Speaking of farms, Alex has got this Tilted TDI YouTube going. I'm about to start a YouTube page myself.
Shameless plug.
Joey's Metal Detecting.
Joey will do it. I mean, he doesn't even need to buy a camera. He's got the iPhone 11, which has an amazing camera.
What was that?
What?
I didn't know what that was at first. I thought you like...
All the scraping?
Oh, these deer. I mean, not deer. That's a horse. Dude, this is awesome. Live band and DJs? I might have to start going to the all these car shows, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, for sure. Joey's gonna be a big time character on the YouTube channel. We basically hang out every single day. You guys don't see it on camera. Joey just recently enlisted himself into a local school, so he's been in school more, so I don't see him every day. But before that, I saw him every day, but we hang out basically every day we get the chance to when he's not busy with schoolwork.
We'd always go to Qdoba.
Always go to Qdoba.
In the comment sections, I want to hear this from each one of you. Qdoba or Chipotle? That's a serious question.
That is a great one.
And guacamole or no guacamole? And queso? Yes or no? And if yes, spicy or regular? Ooh.
Joey's got some good questions for you guys. Make sure you answer those if you actually feel passionate about those.
Yeah, seriously. Like, if you don't feel passionate about Qdoba, yeah, at the end of the day, if you don't feel passionate about, like, Qdoba or Chipotle, like, what even are you? That's the real question. Have you ever found yourself?
Have you ever thought of yourself?
Where do you get off? Where do you get off? Man, Steven.
Also, let us know if you've ever been to Qdoba or Chipotle. You might not have one by you.
Oh, if you don't have one by you, I feel bad.
Yeah, he does feel bad for you. Very bad.
That's like terrible. Ooh.
Sometimes I wish this car had like crazy grip so I could like go through corners and
This
stuff.
thing's insane. I'll tell you one thing, ladies and gentlemen. I've never been in this car before. My first time actually ever driving in this one.
Yeah, because I never drive it and no one ever hops in it.
Yeah, exactly. Well, I'll tell you one thing. My first time ever being in this thing is crazy. This thing is so cool.
There's a good chance Joey's gonna be in it more than once after this.
Yeah.
But on the next car, I do want to make it friends friendly because I only have 2 seats in this car. I don't have a back seat really. There's no like backrest. You can see right into the trunk. And I kind of just want to make a shield and get rid of it. Or I've been looking for bucket seats to make it into a 4-seater, kind of just for style. But the next car, I want to have it for the boys, like basically be able to daily and stuff, but also have some flames and stuff. If it's a TDI, fun. If it's a gas, we're throwing flames.
Yeah? No.
Yeah.
A little fart cannon on there?
Nah, right up the hood.
Really? Damn.
I got the focus face when I'm driving this thing.
This thing's louder than a 6.0 and like
you go like ear numb sometimes.
Turbo sounds a lot better than a truck.
Yeah, she skirts.
Dude, this thing's screaming. Woo! She's screaming, baby.
Driving really well too.
Dude, this thing just like poops so much smoke.
Oh yeah. It probably gets like 6 miles to the gallon when we're ripping it like that, maybe less.
How many miles do you usually get to like a full tank on this?
Back in the day, like 600. Now, probably like between 150 to 300.
I just want to shout out a couple people on this. If you are from Oregon or Washington, that's so cool. And I know there's people from Oregon, Washington. Let me know in the comments.
Yeah, honestly,
come on.
Those are dope states.
Those cool states. You kidding me?
Look at this thing.
Ooh, that thing was sick.
That was awesome. That was a Fox body Mustang.
Yeah, that was an old Mustang.
All right, guys. So the camera overheated, but Joey and I are back.
We're on the long journey home. We're on the long haul.
We are. We're not far from home, so we're just gonna, we're gonna limp it back home. Nah, we're
living it up in the fast lane.
We've been cruising. We've been doing a solid like 50 everywhere and rolling coal and getting about 3 miles.
We just hit
gallon.
305 in this thing. It's so fast.
Could you imagine going 305 in this thing?
Jesus, dude. How fast have you hit this? Like with like the way like these tires are and everything. Like,
I've done like.
Dude, that's sketchy as hell.
It's not that bad.
6.9 liter Cummins. Oh crap!
All that garbage again.
Dude, someone's ripped it up.
It's like baby clothing.
Yeah, it's like car seat and stuff. It's weird. What is that? What is that?
The tires hitting the fenders to have a slow lane.
Oh. Yo, comment in the comment section, let me know if you take a nasty roller of this thing. Dude, this thing is sick. We need some footy. We need some footy of someone doing a rollie.
Dude, yeah, honestly, a roller would come out really good if like you were driving your truck or Nick was driving his truck and like you just took a sideways video.
Look at that thing, bro. It looks mean right now. I ain't gonna lie. No.
I just tried pulling it in second gear and stuff.
Ooh, what happened? So let me ask you, Alex, who taught you how to drive stick?
My mom.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, it's actually funny because my mom wants to teach me how to drive stick.
Your mom knows how to drive stick?
Oh, dude, that's all she talks about.
Really?
Yeah, dude. She's like always like, oh, if there was ever an emergency and the person's car was a stick and you had to drive them or something, I was like, yo, chill. I would just beat the hell out of the clutch. Yo, man, I'm bleeding out. Shift the gear to second. Nah, bro. Nah, fam, we gonna make it.
We gonna make it. Guys, Joey just hopped out of the car. Joey, what'd you think about that? How's your butt feeling?
My hips are literally shot. Oh my God.
The Recaro Hans are so tight and so small. They're a 32-inch waist. Joey's a little bit bigger than that. Joey's husky. And basically, Joey, what'd you think about it? Did you enjoy your time in the car?
This is the coolest car ever. I feel like I was in a spaceship on my way to Mars in this thing.
Guys, so you got the review. Maybe one day you can get a ride in the Tilted TDI or another one of my builds. So guys, on that note, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Keep smiling. Don't let anyone put you down. And I'll catch you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And all right, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.